Welcome to our video on the 7 best no-code publishing software. If you're looking to create and share digital content without having to code, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 7 software for all your publishing needs. WordPress. WordPress is the way to go if you're looking for versatile no-code publishing software. It's the most popular content management system that allows you to create websites, blogs, and online stores. Pros. 1. Free and open source. 2. Easy to install and use. 3. Huge library of themes and plugins. 4. Great for SEO. Cons. 1. Can be overwhelming for beginners. 2. Requires regular updates and backups. 3. Security concerns. Ghost. Ghost is a simple and elegant no-code publishing platform that's perfect for bloggers and writers. It's known for its minimalist interface and distraction-free writing experience. Pros. 1. Focuses on content creation. 2. Modern and stylish templates. 3. Built-in SEO optimization. 4. Affordable pricing plans. Cons. 1. Limited customization options. 2. No support for e-commerce. 3. Not suitable for complex websites. Substack. Substack is a popular no-code publishing platform for newsletters and email marketing. It's designed to help writers and journalists build a loyal audience and monetize their content. Pros. 1. Easy to use and set up. 2. Built-in payment and subscription tools. 3. Customizable email templates. 4. Supports multiple authors. Cons. 1. Limited design options. 2. No support for other types of content. 3. High transaction fees for paid subscriptions. Medium. Medium is a no-code publishing platform that's perfect for writers who want to reach a wider audience. It's a social network for writers and readers where you can publish your content and interact with other members. Pros. 1. Large built-in audience. 2. Simple and user-friendly interface. 3. No setup required. 4. Good for SEO. Cons. 1. Limited customization options. 2. No support for e-commerce. 3. Limited control over your content. Notion. Notion is a versatile no-code publishing software that allows you to create and share all kinds of content. It's a productivity tool that's great for personal and business use. Pros. 1. Multi-purpose software. 2. Great for team collaboration. 3. Customizable templates. 4. Affordable pricing plans. Cons. 1. Limited design options. 2. Not suitable for complex websites. 3. No support for e-commerce. Publi. Publi is a no-code publishing software that's perfect for creating fast and secure static websites. It's a great choice for bloggers and content creators who want a hassle-free platform. Pros. 1. Fast and secure websites. 2. Easy to use and set up. 3. Built-in SEO optimization. 4. Affordable pricing plans. Cons. 1. Limited customization options. 2. No support for e-commerce. 3. Not suitable for complex websites. Flipsnack. Flipsnack is a no-code publishing software that's perfect for creating and sharing digital publications such as ebooks and magazines.